be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers.
Merry Christmas to you all, and welcome back to my channel. So today your girl wanted something new for the holiday, so I picked this fluffy reddish brown kinky hair from Amazon. Natural human hair. You can see how fluffy it is, and you all know I pick it because of the color. Since you all know that already, let's bypass that. It's a less frontal, then you have your two clips on the side, one at the back. You're probably not going to use that, but that's what it look like. And it also came with a cap. Can you imagine your hair coming with a full cap, like you've been taken care of when it comes to nighttime? Just put it on your head and you're good to go. And it also came with an edge band, a pretty one actually. So alright, beside that, your girl got something else. Eyelashes, they don't miss that, but this particular one is different. It is a dramatic one, so yes, I'm all for it. I also picked this is a wig installation kit, and we have like all the pretty little things that you need. You have your edge brushes, it came with two, matter of fact. You have your wig cap, the brown one, yeah. This is a wig remover. Can you imagine? So we have a wig remover. This is a glue itself. That's your wig glue. So we have a glue and we have a remover. Here's your edge control. Then we have three wig bands. Girls, let's get into the details. So got your cap on. We got in the glue. I'm not gonna get too much into the detail. Leave that video for another day. So we are gonna be fast because not only we're gonna be installing the wig, but we gotta add the makeup to it. I'm just gonna spray the listing. There is no time to bleach knots, so that made it easier. I'm gonna have all of this product that I use in the description box for you guys.
So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong.
So this is what we got. Basically, after removing all the lace, that's what we got. I'm gonna do the rest off camera, and let's get into the makeup part of it. Here I'm using my Wahala 2 palette from Juvia, and this particular color is a sap color. Next, I'm gonna use the Calabari color from my Culture palette from Juvia as well. So we used two different palettes in this case. I just used my black liner and I decided to smooth it with green Debele from the Culture palette as well. Yeah, I'm just using my bronzer from Juvia as well. Just like I said earlier, every single product that I use in this video is gonna be linked in the description box. So let's just try to contour this nose a little bit, just a tiny bit. Here comes the double jaw. You need that. Let's do some cleanup here, and we almost done. And don't forget the magic piece, your setting spray, all nighter, always. And some highlights, and we're ready.
be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
Okay, loves, that's where we're ending it today. I hope you have fun, and don't forget to check out my video on the holiday outfit inspo, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.